answer to your question. So whenever you come in here into elements and you're trying to drag a button in here, like there's no way, right, to add a button below the three boxes. And this is because you need to add another row. So how would you do that? Let me delete this. So what you will do in here is add a row in here. That would be a column that will be underneath the testimonials, right? There's where you want it. And then when you have the row, click on add element and then add the button in there. And again, make any kind of edits. Maybe you want to go here under theme, click to sign up. Let's choose a purple one. And then go back into general, change here. I'm ready for the challenge. So text, click here. I mean, so text is always optional, right? And then I want that whenever they click in here, it brings up the pop-up. So that's already done. And you see, I'm thinking that this font isn't the best one because it's like a little bit like the words are over, like it's not easy to read, right? So what about changing the font? So here on the left, I can select content font, or I can select custom font, default font, or maybe I can use Arial, yes, or maybe Laro. I think that's the best one, or that one. Let's use that one. Okay, and again, if I want to make it rounded, bounce, border radius 75, and I want to add some movement in here, so button bounce, and that's it. So keep adding as many buttons as you want. The idea is to have buttons all over the page. That way, whenever anyone scrolls down, they will always see the option in there. Always remember to save and see you in the next video. Bye.